Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 24th of August. And first of all, national news. Air Force helicopter made emergency landing in Rajasthan. Supertex illegal twin towers in Noida, which are taller than Delhi's Qutub Minar, will become India's highest structures ever to be demolished on August 28. The Indian Air Force will deploy two helicopters for relief operations in Madhya Pradesh flood hit Vidisha district, officials said on Tuesday. Mumbai five-star hotel got hoax bomb threat. Caller demanded 5 crore. In Gujarat, Arvind Kejriwal announced year-long jobs calendar. Resignation will hurt my self-respect. Bihar Assembly Speaker on no trust vote. India's aircraft fleet size expected to double in 5 years, Aviation Minister said. Jailed Delhi Minister Satyendra Jain's wife got bail in alleged money laundering case. Lancet studies warn on tomato flu in India among children. List steps taken to rescue children begging on streets. High Court to Delhi authorities. India to see 400 million air travelers in the next 7 to 10 years, Aviation Minister. Congress President Sonia Gandhi on Tuesday met newly elected President of India Draupadi Murmu at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in Delhi. And now some international news. Russia-Ukraine war pushing people to critical breaking point. Red Cross. Congress launched website of Bharat Jodo Yatra builds a people's movement. Malaysia ex-PM's jail term in corruption case upheld by top court. China punished 27 officials over ugly school textbook drawings. In new security alert, US embassy urged its citizens in Ukraine to leave. Sri Lanka is ranked 5th among the 10th countries with the highest food price inflation in the world according to the latest World Bank assessment. And now some sports news. Team India head coach Rahul Dravid has tested positive for COVID-19, the BCCI confirmed on Tuesday. England Test captain Ben Stokes has revealed he takes an anxiety medication every day to help his battle with mental health issues. BWF World Championships, Saina Nehwal advanced into pre-quarterfinals. AIFF wrote to FIFA requested lifting of ban after Supreme Court verdict. And now some news related to business. Sensex Nifty rebound to close higher, snap 2-session losing streak. Rupee seen firming to 78.50 to 79.50 by fiscal year end, HDFC Bank. India to see 400 million air travelers in 7 to 10 years, Aviation Minister. Boeing 787 aircraft exempted from Gagan navigation system until 2022. US unveiled bill to help news media firms negotiate with Google, Facebook. Center plans to auction 17 non-operational surrendered state-run mines. SpiceJet looking for funds from airlines, external parties. Chief. India to become world's number 1 producer of steel. Ministers. Center to raise money through capital markets for 4 road projects. Corporates can make overseas investment beyond set limit. Government. After wheat, retail price of rice rises 6.31% on supply concerns. Rohingya Crisis Fund is well short of needs. United Nations Refugee Agency. Let's have a look on weather of New Delhi on 24th of August. The temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 32 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 27 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.